Hey guys, this is 18.2. Wait, that was dumb. Ooh, I need ammo. Oh, come on. Hey guys, this is 18.2. Welcome back to Dan the Demo Man. Off camera, I just restocked ammo. Oh, hang on, that's not a good place for that. No, not the barrel. I need you. Stupid! Oh no! I attacked with my broken mushroom spear. I am violated the challenge. My credibility is forfeit. Wait, I didn't have any credibility. Oh well. Alright. Swap out titanium, grab the swiftness, grab the iron skin, heart reach, ammo reservation, life force, endurance, rage. Alright, well, let's try this again. Come on. Come on, skull. No! Oh! No! That did a number on it. Oh wait, I moved the nurse so that I didn't have to do that. So what happened is I kept left clicking. So, but even then, actually I didn't put those on. Even then, that doesn't solve what the major issue there was. Skeletron Prime was just able to take the full force of my fireworks. Yeah, that was that I will admit, with that one I'm a little annoyed at. Annoyed at myself for making the timing mistake, which made it so that I wouldn't know whether my strategy would have ultimately worked or not. Anyway, I think that's enough boss flailing around. First off, I have a teleporter to my crimson fishing spot, and I may have forgotten to take into account the fact that I have a fireplace and a door both of which can be activated by that wiring. Anyway, yeah, so it's got a nice little teleporter there. And I've got a teleporter to my dungeon grinding spot. Not really much to do there. So, for the bulk of the episode, I'm going to want the titanium armor. Nice as ammo reservation is, I need the shadow dodge because of what I intend to do. I am going to explore the underground jungle. And why would I be exploring the underground jungle? First off, I need to throw on my well-fed buff. I am... Now that I have beaten one mechanical boss, I think I only have to beat one, I will start finding life fruits. Great use of shadow dodge there. There's a reason I have tagged this as fail. You have no idea how badly I want to stab them with my what's it called? Ow! Mushroom spear. Hey look, chlorophyte. And a lizard statue. Can't quite reach it. Yeah, there's a decent amount of chlorophyte down there. Which will be great once I can beat all 3 mechanical bosses. I mean, I've beaten the Destroyer 3 times. Does that count? Actually, I think I've beaten him more than that. But that still doesn't... Whoa! Ah! Ah! I don't know what's hitting me. Ah! You! I thought I killed you! This is working well. Pokey light stick? Pokey light stick? Show me something? Wait. Can't show me any part of what I actually want. Something is wrong with my map. Fantastic. Is that a wraith? Oh no, it was a Granite Elemental. Ah! Look. There'll be plenty of chlorophyte when it becomes time for playing Terra, because this stuff's just going to keep spreading. Okay. Yeah, I really don't know what's going on with my... map. Don't need jungle spores. Got 2 Bezoars. Mud blocks are going to be incredibly useful. Every mud block is another potential chlorophyte. Oh, I didn't switch back. Darn, I no longer have a plain caverns fishing spot. My cavern fishing spot, as you can clearly see in the blackness, is now hollow. So... yeah. Being hollow means that it is no longer plain old caverns. Alright. Going down again. This is a great start. Oh! You can hit me! That's bad. Oh look, a traveling merchant arrived. Life fruit! Life fruit, right there. Ah! Yes! 5 more HP! No. What's going on? How did I... oh... never mind, I know. No. There, I don't know what hit me. The reason I had run out of mana was because I attempted to spawn or summon my several times. Oh shoot! I've been venomed! Oh. I mean, I got a life fruit. That's something. I really should probably just buff myself up. Given that I still don't know what happened to my first set of buff potions, it just vanished and I haven't been able to find it. I will admit, I entered this world using my main character to see if I had just plopped down somewhere really weird. I just couldn't. find it anywhere. Fighting a bat with explosions is, not ideal. Come on. Is that a strange plant? I think that's a strange plant. Yep, strange plant. Nice. More custom dye is always appreciated. Look at that massive. Oh no no no! It's that guy. Hey, a water chest. Plan failure. Failure. Although I did find a random water chest, which is nice. This is a great two. This is a great 2 episodes. Let me heal up. This is alright, so ooh, angry trapper. Alright, so then it's this way. Oh, truffle worm nearby. If I had the... What's the name of the staff? The one that lets you teleport. Oh, no. Him again. I just need to... No! No! Okay, good. You have been handled. So there is a water chest around here. There it is. There we go! Yay, I got... Well, really what I got is another water chest. Which... Of course, I like the water chests a lot. Okay. I'm gonna go down this way. Yay, I remembered properly. Not seeing life fruit. Oh, nice. Gems. Also, spiders. And hallow. No. I don't care that I'm not supposed to be using this thing. Hey, I got armor polish. I got very menacing armor polish. Not seeing life fruit. If I don't move, it can't shoot at me. However, those 3 bats can get to me. Those 2 bats can get to me. Hello, Angry Trapper. Thank you for saying hello. Oh, let me pick up these sapphires while I'm here. Just in case I decide to decorate with gem blocks. Still not seeing life fruit. You... Oh wait, you're a jungle spider. You're not a black recluse. There we go. Second life fruit. This episode has been worthwhile. 10 health. Gonna go this way. Take a little honey dip. Oh, I blocked that off. Which was, admittedly, a smart thing to do at the time. I have some time to breathe. Really? What hit me? Granite elemental. Screw you. Use my fancy tendon hook. Not seeing life fruits. Is there anything I can replace? Yeah, I'll take off that significant damage boost just for the poison immunity. Because poison is that bad. I should have kept the defense, shouldn't I have? I have 10 health. I have nothing to say in my defense. My skills are on full display. Hang on. Do I have armor polish? Yeah, I have armor polish. Oh, jetpack. I don't think I've ever used the jetpack. Warding jetpack. So, it's even a good jetpack at that. Alright, don't need that, don't need those, don't need that. Don't care about those. Hey, traveling merchant! Merchant! Come on, you're about to despawn! Oh. Fine, despawn. You suck. Oh, that would be up there. And those would be down here. Wait, does the jetpack not protect against fall? Twilight dye. Have I ever used Twilight dye? Hang on. No, I don't think it works with the cape. Okay, it does still do that, even though it just looks weird. Alright, so that gets me to 382. Yep, still gets me to 382. Compared to 477. I think the leaf wings are better than the jetpack. Now, what would happen if I did this? Oh! Yeah. Might hold on to the jetpack. Wait. Hang on. I'm a demolitionist. Be a tech guy. Of course I should be using a jetpack. Now let's see what dye works best. Yes, this is really important. Nah. No, I don't think I want an ooze dye. That doesn't look too bad. Okay, no, that looks bad now that the shadow dodge is off. How's the acid dye? No. Reflective metal? Eh. Reflective obsidian? Copper? No. Gold. Gold will work, right? Yeah. Kinda does. If I swap that? Yeah, doing that? No. Hold on to that. That will be my backup. Mirage dye. No. Could just try a solid color. Oh, wait, it does that too. What does negative dye do to that? That does look pretty cool. But of course, it's not worth staring at negative dye. Although, with that, I am liking the red fire. How's green fire? Doesn't match my outfit though. It's brown and white. Wait, hang on. Yes. Yes. He will be propelled by dirt. Should probably check silver dye, though. See if ground up rock works as well. No. Nah, just the idea of dirt. So, I actually accomplished something this episode. Oh, granted, I feel like I spent I think I spent about a third of the video trying on different dyes. Let me know if you like one of the dyes I showed better than the brown dirt dye. So next time I will hopefully actually beat Skeletron Prime. Well, this has been 18-2, and I will see you guys next time.